Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here for the first time, welcome. I hope you like what you see and you stick around. For today's video, I'm here to show you the Travel Tees Travel Planner, designed and constructed by yours truly. So I'm totally obsessed with planning out everything from monthly goals, outfits, weekly checklists, to-do lists, grocery lists, and more. So when it came to planning vacations, you know your girl needed a planner for that as well. I created this travel planner to eliminate the stress associated with planning vacations and to have all travel ideas and information in one clear and concise document because you know we love an organized queen. So this travel planner can be found on my Etsy shop, which I'll link down below, for only $8. Yes, I know, a steal. The planner is printable, can be used in PDF or Goodnotes 5, which you can find in the Apple App Store. I personally recommend and use the planner on Goodnotes 5 because it's easy to use. It allows you to digitally plan and make notes and adjustments at the tip of your finger or your Apple Pencil. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first 2 pages is for your travel ideas. This could include where you want to go on your dream vacation, hotels or Airbnbs you have in mind, who you want to come with you on vacation, and so on and so forth. The purpose of these pages is to basically put pen to paper and get you started and excited for your vacation planning. I know a lot of times vacation planning can be very stressful because you just have so many ideas running across your mind. You kind of don't know where to start. This is the place where you can organize all your ideas. So the next page is just a quick overview of your travel. This includes your travel destination, the dates and days you plan on traveling, whether you're staying in an Airbnb or hotel, whether it's a solo or group trip, whether it's a relaxing or adventurous trip, and miscellaneous items such as what the trip is for, whether it's for a birthday trip or a bachelorette trip. This page is to write down your transportation and accommodations information. This includes flight times, connecting flight information, and the airports you'll be traveling into and from. It could also include shuttle bus information or Uber information. The accommodation section is to keep track of hotel check-in and check-out times and any other notes such as location. The transportation and accommodation section can also be used to compare prices, just so you make sure that you're staying within a budget if you set one. So the next 3 pages are dedicated to excursion and foodie ideas. So I love to use YouTube and Pinterest to curate my vacation itineraries. These pages are useful to jot down notes regarding excursion and food recommendations. I will use these pages to write down the location of the excursion and the restaurant, bar, or lounge I would like to go to. I'd also use the pages to write down the cost, the travel distance from a hotel, the recommended attire for the location, and more. So this is where the fun really starts. It is all about the itinerary. The itinerary pages include a Monday through Sunday itinerary layout, which include date, location, price, and time. One thing I want to mention that's great about the Goodnotes app is that you can add or remove pages as you see fit. So let's say your vacation doesn't begin until a Thursday. You can just get rid of the Monday through Wednesday page. Or let's say you have more than one activity planned for one of the days, you can add an additional page. So to delete a page, you would click the 3 dots at the top, hit move to trash, click trash, and then the page would be deleted. Adding a page is really simple. You just go to the add page sign at the top and you can either input the page before or after the last page that you were working on. So the point of Travel Tees is to promote bougie, budget-friendly travels because we love a queen who knows how to save a coin. The only way to actually be able to save a coin, though, is to actually create a budget. The budget page allows you to estimate or have a clear and concise price point for your travels. Once you visually see what your budget is, it will allow you to stay on track and know how much you need to save, which you can track on the next page titled Savings Goal. The packing list is to ensure that you bring everything you need for your vacation and that no charger gets left behind. It's also a good way to prevent you from overpacking and promotes you to only bring the essential items based on the type of vacation you're on. Ladies, please, I need y'all to be released from the shackles of overweight luggage. Stop bringing 10, 20, 30 outfits for a 3-day trip, sis. With the packing list, just write down what you need and stick to what you need. Aside from the excursions, vacation shopping has to be one of my favorite parts of vacation planning. When I say I love planning outfits for vacation, like I love it. I love to take pictures of the fit and compile them all together in like one photo collage. So the outfit planner is a perfect way to see how all your fits look together and make sure that your drip is top tier and that when you go on vacation, you're the baddest in the game. You know, you're the baddest out there. So in order to add photos into the outfit planner, you would just scroll over to the image icon, click on the image that you would like, and then just resize it and put it in the box. It is as simple as that, sis. The next page is the to-do list where you can keep track of all the things you need to do before, during, and even after your trip. Like I mentioned, if you need more boxes or more lines, you can add a page. Just reference back to how I added a page for the itinerary. And the final 3 pages are just the travel notes sections, which is useful just to jot down any extra notes you have related towards your travel. Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to the end. This is the full Travel Tease travel planner. I hope you like it and you find it as useful as I have. Once again, the link to the planner is down below. And until next time, I hope you all have a great week and happy travel planning.